Welcome to our explanation for phenomenon number 12. So, the green crayon turning blue. So, white light contains a rainbow of colors, and Maddie is going to show you a little bit about that here.
I'm going to be showing you how the white light reflects to be a rainbow.
Okay, let's see. Okay, can you point to the different colors, Mads? Oh, you can see pretty well in this picture here. So the white light, when it hits the CD and it reflects, you could actually see that it's composed of all the colors in the rainbow. Okay, keep watching this video for more details. So, light can bounce just like a rubber ball can bounce. Light reflects or bounces off an object. So white light coming in from like a flashlight or the sun is composed of all these different colors. But when it hits the green surface of the leaf, what bounces off and makes its way to your eye is just mostly the green light. And that's why you have that experience in your brain of seeing something green. A similar situation happens here. So you have a red apple underneath the sunshine, has that rainbow of colors. What bounces off of the apple is red. It makes its way to your eye and eventually your brain, and you have that experience of seeing something red. Similar thing is happening with these billiard balls. So you have on the far right, you have the white reflecting all of the colors of the rainbow. So that's why you see a white billiard ball. Then you have a red one that reflects only red. So you see a red ball. And then over on the left, you see a black one because that doesn't reflect any of the colors. And so you see an absence of color, which is otherwise known as black. So now back to our big question. How does the pink light make the green crayon look like a blue one? So Maya is going to explain a little bit of that here.
Everyone, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the green turning blue. So this light has every color of the rainbow in it.
But what happens when you put it through the filter?
When you put it through our pink filter right here, you can see a little bit of blue, some orange, and red.
Okay, so it definitely changes the color. Okay, so now let's look at the crayons.
So the blue crayon, when you put the filter and this over the crayon, so as I mentioned, this has every color of the rainbow in it. And when you put the pink filter on it, instead of the green light bouncing off of it, the blue light bounces off of it.
So coming out of the filter, you have blue and red, and then which one bounces off the crayon and makes it to your eye? Which color?
The green.
The blue.
Blue.
The blue. Okay, so let's see if we can put it closer. Okay, so when you see right there.
It's kind of hard because it's really light out right now.
But you can see it in the camera. It actually looks a lot darker when it's going through the filter, and that's because, oh, perfect. So that's because the blue light is bouncing off to the camera and basically going to your eye, and that's coming from the filter.
Bye!
Okay, so now we're going to get a little bit more detail. So again, we have the flashlight, which is sending out this rainbow of colors, which is white light, but it's can be broken up into a rainbow. When it goes through the pink filter, what comes out on the other side? It allows only red and blue light to pass through or to be transmitted. So when you have pink light, you have a combination of red and blue, and in the middle you can see the pink. So back to the crayons. So you have the flashlight, and it is sending out the white light going through the pink filter. On the other side of the pink filter, you only have red and blue. Then the red crayon is going to reflect red light. So under the pink light, red still looks red. The green crayon under white light will reflect mostly green light, but will also reflect a little bit of blue light. So it's not just totally green, it has a little bit of blueness in it. So under the pink light, the green is still going to reflect blue because that blue light is still there in the pink light. So the green is gone, so it no longer can reflect any green because it's going through that pink filter. So now it only has blue to reflect. So what ends up happening is you think you are seeing a blue crayon because that blueness is making its way to your eye, and then you have the experience of seeing something blue. So to wrap it up, so how does the pink light make the green crayon look like a blue one? You're changing the color of the light, and it changes the color of the light that is reflected by that object. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later.